Sometimes the best adventures begin with a short train ride. Just outside Tokyo, Kamakura waits, a seaside town where time slows and the air tastes of salt and old stories. Arriving here, the world softens as if you've stepped into a Studio Ghibli film. Winding lanes, smiling statues, and the gentle rumble of a little green train set the stage for a day of delight. In Kamakura, the air is hazy, scented with temple incense and blooming hydrangeas. Wooden houses with tiled roofs cluster together, inviting you to imagine friendly spirits around every corner. Kamakura's magic is in its simple pleasures: handmade sweets, wind chimes in the sea breeze, and the ocean sparkling under the sun. It's a gentle antidote to city chaos, a place to breathe, slow down, and rediscover wonder in quiet moments. Join me as we ride the coastal train, meet a giant of peace, and wander through temples floating on flowers. Kamakura is a day trip, but it feels like stepping into another world, one where the ordinary is truly extraordinary. Our journey begins aboard the Enoden train, a charming green and cream railway hugging the coast from Fujisawa to Kamakura. The train clatters through narrow streets so close you glimpse washing lines and sunbathing cats. It's a slow, scenic transition from Tokyo's bustle to the seaside's gentle embrace. Suddenly, the view opens. The Pacific Ocean stretches out, sunlight dancing on the waves, surfers waiting for the perfect break. The sound of wheels and distant surf is a soothing soundtrack. Each stop, Hase, Inamuragasaki, Shichirigahama, has its own character, with relaxed locales and curious travelers. The Enoden isn't just transport, it connects you to the coast's unhurried rhythm. This train sets the tone for Kamakura, slow, mindful, and full of quiet magic. Sometimes the journey is just as enchanting as the destination. Our first stop is Kotokuin Temple, home to the great Buddha, Daibutsu. After a short walk from High Station, you enter the temple grounds and meet the immense bronze statue, serene under the open sky. No photo prepares you for his scale or the calm he radiates. The Buddha sits exposed to the elements, part of the landscape, his eyes holding ancient wisdom. Visitors circle in awe, some stepping inside the hollow statue to marvel at its craftsmanship. Standing before him, the world's worries fade, replaced by a powerful stillness. The great Buddha isn't just a sight, he's a symbol of peace and resilience. Here you find a moment of quiet reflection, a pause from modern life. Leaving the temple, you feel lighter, as if you've touched something timeless. The adventure continues, with Kamakura's magic deepening at every turn. Just beyond the great Buddha lies Hasadera Temple, built into a hillside with sweeping sea views. Entering, you're greeted by tranquil gardens and koi ponds, the air fragrant with incense. Scattered throughout are hundreds of small Jizo statues, guardians of children and travelers dressed in red bibs and hats, clustered like friends sharing secrets. Climbing stone steps, you reach the main hall, home to a towering golden cannon statue with 11 heads, radiating compassion. The dim hall inspires awe, while outside the observation deck offers breathtaking views of Uegahama Beach and Sagami Bay. Hasadera is a tapestry of experiences, peaceful gardens, playful statues, a powerful goddess, and vistas that linger in memory. Each layer reveals more magic, inviting you to pause and soak in the beauty. It's a place where faith and nature intertwine, and every corner feels like a gentle discovery. Kamakura's spirit shines brightest in these quiet, sacred spaces. No visit to Kamakura is complete without sampling its local treats. On Komachidori, the main street, the scent of sweets fills the air. Most famously, purple sweet potato soft serve, creamy and vibrant. Dango, chewy rice dumplings glazed with soy, are grilled fresh at tiny stalls, their warmth matched by the smiles of those who serve them. In hidden alleys, family-run shops offer handmade senbei rice crackers, each one a small work of art. These discoveries are more than snacks. They're connections to the town's heart and tradition. Near the sea, boutiques sell seashell crafts and breezy linen, while cafes invite you to sip lemonade and watch the world drift by. The simple pleasure of a cool drink, the taste of a sweet treat, and the sea breeze on your face. These are Kamakura's gifts. Here, every bite and every encounter feels like a treasure. The town's magic is found in its flavors, its people, and its quiet moments. Kamakura invites you to savor life, one sweet discovery at a time. What sets Kamakura apart is its gentle pace, a world away from Tokyo's rush. Here, the air itself encourages you to slow down, to wander and notice the little things. Admire temple gates, watch butterflies in gardens, or simply sit and observe. Locals embody this spirit, greeting you with smiles and unhurried kindness. Kamakura feels like a real-life Ghibli film, where magic lives in quiet beauty and everyday kindness. The town invites you to meander, to get a little lost, to follow curiosity rather than a schedule. Even the walks between sites are pleasant, winding through charming neighborhoods and along scenic paths. There's no rush, just the freedom to explore and breathe. Kamakura's true gift is this dreamy, unhurried exploration. For a day you become part of its calm, magical world. As the day fades, there's only one place to be, by the sea at Uegahama Beach. The energy softens. Surfers and families linger as the sky blushes pink and gold. Sitting on the sand, you watch the sun dip, its light painting the water in shimmering hues. The waves provide a gentle soundtrack, closing the day with peace and beauty. All the day's experiences, Buddha's calm, Cannon's grace, the train's jingle, the taste of sweet potato ice cream, culminate in this perfect sunset. Kamakura's magic lingers, washing away city stress and leaving you with gratitude and wonder. As the last light fades, you walk back to the station, the dreamlike feeling still in the air. Boarding the train to Tokyo, you carry a piece of seaside serenity with you. Kamakura isn't just a place, it's a memory, a feeling, a gentle world you'll always want to return to.